Hey guys, it's Chris here from Pi Supply. Today's unboxing video we're going to take a look at the Pi Crust Proto HAT. So chances are if you're working on a project, you've already done breadboard testing of the circuit. So you've got it working and now you want to move it onto a HAT board. So instead of going full speed ahead into production, you want to prototype it on a prototype HAT such as this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it and I'm just going to show you some of the features of this prototyping HAT. So let's take a look and see what we got inside. So we've got some standoff screws there, some nylon screws and standoffs. So this will just allow you to secure the HAT to the Raspberry Pi. Let's see what we've got in here. So here we've got some cool Raspberry Pi stickers there. We've got a really snazzy Pi Crust logo there. We've also got a Pi Supply information card. So this has got some sales information. If you want to contact us, you can check. So if you want to contact us, you can go to pisupply.com or you can drop us an email at sales@pisupply.com. So this is the main HAT. You can see it's got a 40-way GPIO header on one side, and this header basically breaks out all the pins on the Raspberry Pi onto this prototyping area. So as you can see, it's got an EEPROM chip on. This chip is actually blank. What you can do is you can program it once you've done your circuit. So once you're connected to your Raspberry Pi, you'll be able to set up the GPIO pins for your project on this. So that's a pretty cool feature. We've got some pins at the top, single row of pins. This is just basically breaking out the UART, the I2C and a number of GPIO pins as well. Just below that, we've got a 5V and ground voltage rail. And then we've got some rows of pins that are all connected together. What's good about this, it's got a little space in the middle. This is designed so you can add integrated circuits to this. So you can break out the pins on the chips that you're using in your project. And then at the bottom of the board, you've got the ground and 3V rails there. So as you can see, it's a pretty big prototyping area. You've got enough room there to add all your components. There's a slot there for the camera cable. So if your project requires the use of the Pi camera, you'll be able to pass the cable through there. And if you're using the DSI port on the Raspberry Pi, you'll also be able to pass the cable through the edge there. This is the standard HAT format. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to basically show you how to assemble it using the nylon screws and standoffs there. So for this, you just want to use a small Phillips screwdriver. And first of all, you want to mount the standoffs to the Raspberry Pi, or you could do it the other way around. You can mount them onto the PCB here. I usually find it easier this way. So just pop the screw through the mounting hole and then screw on the standoffs. You can tighten these up after, don't worry if they're not too tight, just make sure they're on there. So once those are on, just simply place the HAT, prototyping HAT, over the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi, like so. Push it all the way down, make sure it's in, it's firmly, securely in place, and then just simply screw in the remaining screws on top. And then just double check the ones underneath tight enough, so just give them a bit of a turn. And there we have the Pi Crust Prototype HAT assembled and connected to the Raspberry Pi. So if you have any questions about this product itself, the Pi Crust Prototyping HAT, you can go to pisupply.com. You can drop us a comment in the box below as well, or you can contact us via the social channels as well. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and until next time, I'll see you then.